Go now, run along and tell your Xerxes he faces free men here, not slaves. Do it quickly, before we decide to make our wall just a little bit bigger.
Mortals in the house, you're looking on this beat, man.
Check one. It's gonna go like this. Shoddy smoking body, frozen Tommy, glowing Gotti, chosen Illuminati, commies, prodigy, prophecy, omen, commissary, complimentary, adversary, ordinary, buried in cemetery, mercenary, John Kerry, sightless science, type flick, tie sticks, Toderick, shiesty heist, Miami Vice, Dice 6, Dave Berkowitz, the way I murder ish, Colin Ferguson, snakes on planes, serpent in turbulence, twirling Twizzlers, hurling lizards, whirlwinds and wizards, the world is bitter, bender and bender cells, curling critters, atrocity flowing, possibly knowing, copy Gandhi, monopoly, property stolen, I'm holding, necessary celery, temporary, mortuary, revolutionary, January, every seminary, signs of tyrant climates, odd chink, psychiatrist, player mind tricks, I'm flyer, the private pilots, affirmative, permanent, burning wigs, concerning kids, turning a journalist into a servant, hermit, worm and squid, exemplary, statuary, popping cherries, populary, Canterbury, cherry, Jerry curls, hairy, no worry, cocky, boasting, mommy, groping, hottie, poking, hobby, poking, Yanni, Maserati, properly, potty loaded, Triton, alliance, highest stripe, yikes, a Viking, precise alignment, binding, crying, shine, striking psychics, the lumberjack, under traps, thunder snap, mugger rap, no blunder from the younger, I wonder how the numbers stack, the jade maiden made me afraid, the Satan stayed debating over souls decayed on strange arraignment, Long Island's nicest minds, chiming, whining kids, low prices, minus sirens, biting, night deciding trips, they get ready,
Ready for what?
ready for war,
Ready to die.
ready to live,
Ready for more.
they ain't ready,
Ready for what?
ready for war,
Ready to die.
ready to live,
Ready for more.
they ain't ready,
Ready for what?
ready for war,
Ready to die.
ready to live,
Ready for more.
they ain't ready,
Ready for what?
ready for war,
Ready to die.
ready to live,
Ready for more.
I'll come at you with a machete, fuck Freddy and his claws. I hold my nuts as I pause, and I stretch the truth like a rubber band. My lyrics are so sick, even I'm a fan, You can't speak a lick of English, but I'm always down to pound old English. And I'm that dude that hugs the block. Why you hug the cock? And I hate carrying a wallet, that's why I stuff my sock. And music is my life, and yes, I fucked a wife or two, And if it wasn't for me being me, I couldn't say I do what I do. I'm so underground that you need crane to get to me. Fuck Paul Bunyan, I'll eat the tree. I got love for Suboxone, except for the fact that it gets me scratching and itching, shaking and twitching, yelling and bitching. And I lust for women as if they were crack. And I eat those skinny bitches for a midnight snack. And I'm laid back and cool as the other side of the pillow. Use a bum, not even trying to get it together. Got your girl crying twice as hard during the rainy weather.
Why'd you fucking pull your dick?
Use a featherweight and just put the mic down. The immortals are in the fucking house and we ain't playing around. Yeah.
They ain't ready,
Ready for what?
ready for war,
Ready to die.
ready to live,
Ready for more.
they ain't ready,
Ready for what?
ready for war,
Ready to die.
ready to live,
Ready for more.
they ain't ready,
Ready for what?
ready for war,
Ready to die.
ready to live,
Ready for more.
they ain't ready,
Ready for what?
ready for war,
Ready to die.
ready to live,
Ready for more.
You will be dead, man. Go now, run along and tell your Xerxes he faces free men here, not slaves.